Hi there, today we're showcasing a medium drum fabric lampshade made from natural linen that's handcrafted for quality and durability. This lampshade features a spider fitter design, so please ensure your lamp has a heart to fit this shade properly. Measuring 8.5 inches at the top, 13 inches at the bottom, and 9.3 inches high, it fits most table and floor lamps with ease. The natural beige white linen fabric softly diffuses light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere in any room. Its sturdy metal frame provides excellent stability while maintaining a lightweight feel. Assembly is simple and takes just about 3 minutes, with clear instructions included for your convenience. If you encounter any issues, the support team is ready to assist you promptly. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.